Hello there, welcome to the Gist Unplugged TV Live. On the Gist today, Muslims and Christians clash in Kwara State over the use of hijab by students in missionary schools. Let's check out details.
We have Muslim and Christian faithful here. I think what happened this morning was that the Christian faithful blocked the entrance of the school as against the order of the government.
They're not doing anything, we were just dancing and singing. They started throwing stones at us. And now, after throwing stones, people had to retaliate because men are injured. Take my hand, I have to be doing first aid for grown-up men. People are injured in their heads. And these guys started throwing stones at us. They've started burning our school inside now. Nobody can run it through. This is wrong. Stop marginalizing Christians.
Please do something about it. We all voted for you for peaceful coexistence.
The both religions are now throwing stones at each other. The Muslim and the Christian. The Christian are throwing stones from the church, while the Muslim are throwing from the outside. This is now battle. The violence are now erupted at Surulere Baptist Church and Baptist Secondary School. The Muslim and Christian are now throwing stones at each other. As you can see, the police are powerless now. They have nothing to do. They are now begging everybody. As you can see, only the police are the only security sighted now. As you can see, they are now throwing stones at each other. Christians are throwing stones from the church, while Muslims are throwing inside. As you can see,